Hi. Today it will be an easy lesson. It's very easy, okay? The main idea here is how to isolate, okay? So in example 1 here, if all of this is equals to all of this, okay, find the value of a. So I'm targeting right now the value of a. I have a left hand side and I have a in the right hand side, okay? So I'm sure that all the variables left hand side and in the right hand side will cancel each other, okay? So first of all, I have to distribute. I'm searching, my target is to find the value of a. So first of all, I will distribute this here and here and here and here and also here. So first of all, 2 multiplied by a, it will be 2a, and 2 multiplied by b will be 2b, and 2 multiplied by 2c, it will be 4c, and 2 multiplied by 3d, it will be 6d, and 2 multiplied by 1, it will be 2. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. And after this, I'm targeting a. But by the way, I find that in the left-hand side, I have 2b, and the right-hand side also I have 2b, so they will cancel each other, okay? Also here I have 4c and 4c, so they will cancel also, and 6d and 6d, they will cancel. So finally, I reach that I have 2a plus 2 in the left-hand side, which is equals to 3a. And by getting the 2a in the other side with a negative sign, so it will be 2 equals to 3a minus 2a, which is a. So I'm sure right now that the a is equals to 2. Any questions? Any questions? Huh?
No.
Okay. Let us continue. Here in example 2. Here I have the equation, which is square root of ab equals to a minus b. And a is greater than 0, which means that a is a positive number. And also b is greater than 0, which means that b also is a positive number. The equation above is equivalent to which of the following? By the way, I have to get rid of this square root, as the answers here do not contain any square root, okay? So I get rid by the square root by squaring. I have to square both sides. But by the way, don't forget, I'm squaring the left-hand side, and I will square the right-hand side, all of the right-hand side. Don't say, okay, I will square the right-hand side like this, a square minus b square. This will be wrong, okay? Okay, after this, squaring both sides, so I will get rid of the square root. So right here, it will be ab, which is equals to, okay, here, I have to get rid of all of this. Do I have this form in the answers? No. But actually, I will find that, I have to get rid of this. So first square, it will be a square, and second square, it will be plus b square, and 2 multiplying by the first, multiplying by the second, so it will be negative 2ab. I don't reach to my target yet, until now, okay? So right now I have to get the 2ab in the other side. So it will come with the opposite sign, which is positive 2a. Positive 2ab plus ab from the same family, which is equals to a square plus b square. And right now I will got that 2ab plus ab, which is equals to, يا شباب
3ab.
3ab. Yes, perfect, Yazina. So 3ab will be equals to a squared plus b squared, and finally the answer is D. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Okay. Qasim. Okay. طيب. Let us continue. Here is asking me if x plus 3 all square equals to 121. And by the way, 121 is a special number. It's a perfect square. Perfect square to what? Do you know?
11.
To 11. Perfect. Okay. What is the sum? And take care of the two possible values of x. He's not asking me for the value of x. He's asking me for the sum of the two values of x that I will get from this. Okay. So right now I have to get rid of this. I have to get rid of the square. Okay. I can get rid of the square by square root both sides. But first of all, I will put a square root in here. And here I have a number, so I'll put positive or negative square root. Clear? So after this, the square will cancel the square root will cancel the square. So I will got x plus 3, which is equals to positive or negative. The square root of 121 is 11. So I have two ways. First of all, I have x plus 3, which is equals to 11. And the second way is x plus 3, which is equals to negative 11. By the way, the target is to get the sum of the two x's. Okay? So I will move here the 3 in the other side with the opposite sign. So it will be x equals to 11 minus 3, which is equals to 11 minus 3.
8.
8, perfect. And here I will get rid of the 3 in the other side by moving it with the negative sign. So it will be negative 11 minus 3. And negative 11 minus 3, which is equals to?
Negative 14.
Perfect. And after this, by the way, if this question is coming to you in a multiple choice, you will find that the solution will be 8, maybe in number A or B or C or D, and the other solution is negative 14, and I'm not searching for this, I'm searching for the sum of them. So the sum of them will be negative 14 plus 8. Clear? So negative 14 plus 8 is equals to? Come on. Negative 14 plus 8 is equal to negative 6. Perfect. Thank you. Any questions? يا شباب.
There is questions.
خطاب اديني.
So basically عندنا هسه مثلا negative 14 و 8. حلو؟
تمام.
Why does he say بريكس x زائد 3 to the power of 2 equals to root of 21 صح؟
The power
sorry x زائد 3 between بريكس to the power of 2 equals to 121. Okay.
تمام.
احنا هنا شنو نريد بالضبط؟ يعني what do we want here؟
هنا هو طالب منك ايه بالضبط؟ هو عايز the sum of the two possible values of x. خطاب تتفق او تختلف معايا. Do you agree or refuse that x plus 3 all square is a parabola? It's a quadratic equation. It's a parabola, right?
x to the power of 3?
X to the power of 2.
The
power of 2. When it present in an equation, when it exists in an equation, so it's a parabola, right?
صح.
Okay. And the parabola, if you want the parabola, okay, at any point you may get two solutions of the parabola, right?
صحيح.
Okay. So I'm sure here from the question itself that he is asking me, what is the sum of two possible values of x? So I'm sure that I have two values of x, okay?
Question: does this get into the set because it's so easy? يعني.
الايه؟
Does this get into the set because يعني it's so easy? Okay.
ايوه. It comes.
Okay.
He is isolating that. That's it. He is getting the value of x. That's it. Okay.
Great.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions? Any more questions? طيب خطاب عملت ايه؟ عملت سكوير يمين وسكوير شمال. سكوير روت يمين وسكوير روت شمال. اوكي؟ but السكوير روت اليمين دوت الشمال دوت انا عملته ليه؟ انا عملته عشان اجيت rid of the square. معايا خطاب؟
وياك.
Okay, يعني when I say to you I have x squared equals to 4. What is the value of x?
When did you said what?
If I say to you x squared equals to 4, what
X
is the value
square
of x?
equals to 4. The
The
value is
value,
2.
the value is
Yes.
the value is
Equals to 2.
غلط. Wrong.
No. You said عفوا sorry. X to the power of 2 equals to 4 عفوا. Did you
X
say
to
that?
the power of 2 equals to 4. So what is the value of x?
It's not 2 صح؟ يعني المفروض it's 2 يعني I don't know.
انت قلت 2. It's 2. I
yeah,
have
it's 2,
one
2.
value which is 2, but the other value is the negative 2.
Negative positive 2.
Exactly. جبت منين النيجاتيف بوزيتيف؟ لان انا
Because it's a root.
بمنتهى البساطه رحت عامل ايه؟ رحت واخد سكوير روت هنا وسكوير روت هنا. بس this is a number. I put positive or negative هنا. Okay? So it will be x which is the square cancel the square root cancel the square. Okay? And here the square root of 4 is 2. So it will be positive or negative 2. It's the same idea خطاب. Okay?
تمام حبيبي تمام.
Any questions? Okay, let us continue. طيب نيجي بقى للcross multiplication. تمام كده؟ In the cross multiplication, I have to be very, very, very fast. Okay, so like this equation, what is the value of x? I'm searching for the x, but by the way, the x have a coefficient which is 4 over 5. 4 over 5, there is no plus, there is no minus beside the x, okay? So it's very simply, I will move the 4 over 5 to the other side with the reciprocal, which is, so I will say that x is equals to 10 over 3, and I will move the reciprocal, which is 5 over 4. Clear? Clear?
Again.
Again. Here, I have 4 over 5 multiplying by x equals to 10 over 3. Okay? So, in this situation, I don't have here plus or minus any numbers, okay? It's just number multiplying by the number I'm searching for equals to a number, okay? So simply, everything downward, I will move it in the next way, in the next side upward, and everything upward in the left-hand side, I will move it downward. Okay? Yani, I will say that x is equals to 10 over 3, but here the 5 will move to the other side upward, which is 5. Over, and here the 4 is upward, it will move downward, which is 4. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
So right now, I have 10 over 3 multiplying by 5 over 4. By the way, in the SAT, I have to get the simplest form. Okay? So from here, I have even upward and even downward. I can cancel them by dividing them by, divide upward the 10 by, شباب, عبودة, زينة.
2.
2. Exactly. 10 divided by 2 will equals to
5.
5. And 4 divided by 2 will equals to
2.
2. Perfect.
نحدد المقامات
5
يعني.
multiplying by 5
25.
and 25 over 3 multiplying by 2, which
6.
is 6. Clear? Huh? Clear?
Clear.
Come on. Yasmin, are you with me?
Yeah.
Come on. Okay. So after this, what is the value of x in this one? I'm searching for the x. Okay. Okay, here I have 5 over x minus 2 minus 3 over x plus 2, and my equation is balanced by equals to 0. Okay, I'm searching for the x. First of all, I have to get this one in the other side, all of it in the other side with the opposite sign. So I will got 5 over x minus 2, which is equals to 3 over x plus 2. Clear? I'm dealing with the 3 over x plus 2 as if it's a number, a whole number. So I move this whole number to the other side with the opposite sign. It's my right. Clear?
تمام.
And after this, I will cross multiplication. I will multiply this by this and this by this. So first of all, I will multiply 5 multiplying by x plus 2 equals to, and then 3 multiplying by x minus 2. Any question until this step?
No.
Okay. I'm searching for the x. And now I get rid of the fraction. Okay, so here I just will multiply. I will distribute the numbers. Okay, so 5x multiplying by 5 multiplying by x, it's 5x, and 5 multiplying by 2, which is 10, equals to, and here 3 multiplying by x, it's 3x, and 3 multiplying by negative 2, which is negative 6. Now I collect the families. I will collect the family of the x and the family of the number, each one in an individual term. So first of all, I will move the 3x here. So it will be 5x minus 3x. Clear? Equals to. And also I will move the 10 in the other side by the negative sign. So it will be negative 10 minus 6. And now, if I say 5x minus 3x equals to
2x.
2x, perfect.
2x time
Equals
equals to negative 6.
Negative 16, perfect. And then I have to get rid of the 2. So I will move the 2 in the other side by the division. So it will be x equals to negative 16 over 2, which is
X equal to negative 7.
8.
Sorry, 8.
Perfect. Any questions? Shabab, any questions?
No.
Okay. Example 6. Which of the following express A in terms of B and C? And by the way, it's a repetitive question in the SAT. Take care of it. Okay, I'm just isolating. I want to isolate what? A. In terms of, so the result, I need to get A in one side equals to all of the variables, all of the numbers in the other side. Clear? So my strategy right now is how to isolate the A. Okay, here I have A upward and I have A downward. Okay, so first of all, I will use the cross multiplication. The cross multiplication, so I will multiply this by this and this by 1 beside, under the B. Clear? So it will be B multiplying by 3A plus C equals to A multiplying by 1. Clear? Until now, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. I'm searching for the A, remember. So first of all, I will got this inside by distribution. So it will be 3A multiplying by B plus B multiplying by C equals to A. Clear? And then I will got the A in one side. So I will move the 3AB in the other side by the negative side. So it will be BC equals to A minus 3AB. معايا؟ Any A's in the left-hand side remain. If there is any A in the left-hand side I have?
No.
Okay. So right now I have A here and here. Okay. So I can get the A as a common factor. So right now I will got the, how much multiplying by A get me A?
Is it 1 3B?
1
Negative 3B?
minus 3B.
3B.
Perfect. And right now, the 1 minus 3B is with the multiplication beside the A. So I will move it in the other side by division, and I finish my question, which is BC over 1 minus 3B. Clear? And the answer will be number A. Clear يا شباب؟
Clear.
ها؟ إيه اللي فتح ده؟
أمير مرتضى.
مش عارف أنا. Okay? Any questions here? Take care of these questions. It's very easy and it comes in the SAT. Please don't miss it. In this one I have, what is one possible real value of x for which the equation above is true? Okay, I have x to the power of 4, I have 3x to the power of 3, and I have x, and I have a number equals to 0. I need the value of x. Okay? So right now, I will factorize with another way. It's a new way for us, which is by grouping. What is the meaning of by grouping? By grouping, which is, I will take the first two terms and the second two terms, like this. Okay, can I take a common factor from this one, from the first one?
Yes, you can take x to the power of 3.
X to the power of 3. Okay, so the left here will be
x زائدا
x plus
3.
3. Perfect. Plus, already I have here x plus 3 equals to 0, right? But by the way, you will notice that I find x plus 3 and x plus 3 here and here. So I can take x plus 3 as a common factor. So I will take x plus 3 as a common factor, and I will open my bracket. In the first one, I have x to the power of 3. And in the second one, I have already x plus 3. So it will be 1 equals to 0. Any questions? Any questions?
أنت يعني you took like common factor from the x to زائد 3.
انا خدت من الاثنين دولت الاول common factor اسمه x to the power of 3. حلو كده؟
اوكي.
طلعت لي x plus 3 اللي هيها كانت موجوده هنا اهي.
حلو. ودخلت الاكس 3 والمجموع
بص يا خطاب، بعد كده لعبت ان دوت ترم ودوت ترم.
زين سؤال.
منهم common factor اسمه x plus 3.
question.
ها
احنا اذا اخذنا common factor they are both 1 and 1 يعني x زائد 3 is 1 and x زائد 3 is 1. why didn't we like add both and it will become 2 or that's impossible.
انا فهمت قصدك، لان انا عندي already variable هنا. يعني if I said to you I have 2x plus 3 ماشي plus 4x plus 3 okay it's your right to say it is 6x plus 3
okay
تمام. but here I have a variable, I have x to the power of 3. ماشي كده. فانا باخد common factor اسمه x plus 3, the common factor which is repeats in each term. Okay, so I took x plus 3 common factor. Okay, and for the first term here, if I took the common factor which is x plus 3, how much will left? It will be x to the power of 3. And here, if I took the common factor which is x plus 3, how much will left? It will be 1. Clear? After this, I have a product, and this product is equals to 0. So it may be x plus 3 equals to 0, or x to the power of 3 plus 1, which is equals to 0. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. And now I will move this in the other side, so it will be x equals to -3. This is the first solution. Okay, the second one, I will move this in the other side, so x to the power of 3 equals to -1. And to get rid of the power of 3, I will put a cubic root here and here. Be careful, this is a cubic root, not a square root. If this is a square root above the negative number, so I will say no solution. It will give me undefined. But this is a cubic root. So here this cubic root will cancel the cube, so it will be x. And the cubic root of -1, it's -1 multiplying by -1 multiplying by -1, which is -1. So the two solutions will be -3 and -1. Clear? Any questions?
Nope.
Zaina, Yasmin?
No. No.
قاسم، خطاب، عبد الرحمن؟
No.
تمام. اوكي. ايه ده بقى؟ ايه المنظر ده؟ Look at this shape.
قلبي ايش في؟
ولا اي حاجة. ولا اي حاجة. Don't worry. دي في كلمة إلا كلمة. Which of the following gives what? M in terms of x. I need only M to be isolated. Clear? Where is the M? The only M is here. And the M here with multiplying, right? I have the right to move it from this side to the other side. So I will move the M in the other side by the multiplication, and I will move all of this in the denominator. So it will be M equals to x root x minus 1 over x, all of this over. I got this equation in the denominator, so it will be x cubed plus x squared plus x multiplying by x plus 1 over x, and this is the answer.
بس
بس خدت بالك انت من الكلام؟
لعن الله
ها؟
الساتر.
It's very easy. يعني don't worry about the equation, it's very long. No. I'm searching for what? I'm searching for the m. Like if I say I have Karim equals to Yasmin multiplying by Zaina over Abdurrahman multiplying by Qasim plus Duha. Okay? I'm asking you,
Alhamdulillah,
I need
mashallah.
Abdurrahman right now. What should I do? So I'll move. There is no plus or minus here. I'm sure there is no plus or minus here. Abdurrahman is multiplying. Okay, so I will move Abdurrahman from downward to upward. Very easy. And I will get Karim downward. So Abdurrahman will be equals to Yasmin multiplying by Zaina over Karim multiplying by Qasim plus Doha. Is it clear?
ما شاء الله يعني مثال اسطوري يعني.
Huh? Clear?
كلير حب كلير.
Tamam. So the answer I got is number D. Any questions?
By the way, قاسم with Q not K.
لا قاسم اهو Q اهو.
Okay.
خلي بالك انا صحي قوي. طيب
عاشت ايدك
حبيبي. In this one I'm searching. لا يا شباب, the meeting will end. Okay, 10 minutes we will return back. Okay, because this will take a lot of time. 10 minutes. Okay, and we will return back. Okay, يا شباب سامعيني؟
let's
Okay.
leave and you leave too. Make
Okay.
another one.
Okay,
يلا باي.
we will open another one after 10 minutes. Bye bye.